The Fiat Lingotto motor factory, a jewel in the crown of Turin, Italy, was born in the midst of the Industrial Revolution and the Roaring Twenties. The mastermind behind this automotive marvel was none other than Giovanni Agnelli, the visionary leader of Fiat. It was a time when the demand for automobiles was skyrocketing, and Agnelli aimed not just to keep up, but to redefine the entire manufacturing process. In 1916, plans were set in motion for what would become a revolutionary concept in the automotive world. Agnelli envisioned a factory that wouldn't merely assemble cars, but would integrate innovation and efficiency into its very architecture. The result was the Fiat Lingotto motor factory, a groundbreaking establishment that would set the stage for a new era in industrial design. Construction commenced in 1920 and was completed in 1923. The factory's design was a testament to forward thinking, featuring a 5-story structure that was crowned by a remarkable rooftop test track. The Lingotto factory's architectural innovation didn't stop at the exterior. Agnelli, drawing inspiration from the rapidly advancing world of technology, incorporated the assembly line into the factory's design. This was a relatively new concept at the time, and Lingotto became one of the pioneers in embracing this efficient method of production. Cars would start their journey on the ground floor, gradually ascending through the building as various components were added. The culmination of this journey was the top floor, where the cars underwent a final test run on the rooftop track. It was a mechanical ballet, a symphony of gears and engines working in harmony. The rooftop test track was not just a flamboyant addition for show, it served a practical purpose. Cars fresh off the assembly line could be immediately tested for performance and functionality, allowing for swift identification and resolution of any issues. Lingotto became synonymous with speed and innovation, a symbol of the bold strides being taken in the automotive industry. As the factory's construction neared completion, anticipation and curiosity filled the air. The automotive world held its breath, eager to witness the fruition of Agnelli's audacious vision. Little did they know that the Lingotto motor factory was destined to become a legend, leaving an indelible mark on the history of automotive manufacturing. With the completion of the Fiat Lingotto motor factory in 1923, the automotive landscape witnessed a paradigm shift. As the Roaring Twenties unfolded, the factory's impact on the automotive world became increasingly evident. The assembly line at Lingotto proved to be a game changer. It allowed for a streamlined production process, significantly increasing efficiency. Cars rolled off the assembly line with unprecedented speed, and the rooftop test track became a spectacle that captivated not only automotive enthusiasts, but the general public as well. Lingotto's legacy as a pioneer in the automotive industry was firmly established, setting the stage for the challenges and triumphs that lay ahead. As the world entered the tumultuous period of the late 1930s, the Fiat Lingotto motor factory faced challenges that tested its resilience and adaptability. The looming clouds of war cast shadows over the automotive industry, and Lingotto, like many other industrial giants, found itself navigating uncharted territory. The outbreak of World War II brought about a seismic shift in priorities. Fiat, including Lingotto, shifted its focus from civilian car production to supporting the war effort. The factory became a hub for manufacturing military vehicles, engines, and other essential components for the Italian armed forces. The war years were a period of resource constraints, uncertainty, and sacrifice. Lingotto's workforce, comprised of skilled engineers and dedicated laborers, played a crucial role in supporting the nation's war efforts. The adaptability of the factory and its ability to pivot from civilian to military production showcased the resilience ingrained in its very foundations. However, the war years were not without their challenges. Lingotto, like many industrial complexes, faced the realities of wartime bombings and resource shortages. The once vibrant rooftop test track, a symbol of speed and innovation, fell silent as the focus shifted from performance cars to military vehicles. Lingotto's role in the war effort, though significant, was a departure from its original vision of being a hub for cutting-edge automotive design. As the war drew to a close in 1945, Lingotto emerged scarred but standing. The factory had played a crucial role in supporting the nation during a time of crisis, and its contribution to the war effort was etched into its history. The scars of war were evident, but the spirit of Lingotto's workforce and leadership remained undaunted. The factory, once a bastion of wartime production, was ready to reclaim its status as a center for cutting-edge automotive manufacturing. The The 1950s ushered in an era of economic recovery and growth. Lingotto seized this opportunity to reassert itself as a driving force in the automotive industry. The rooftop test track, which had fallen silent during the war, once again echoed with the purr of engines and the screech of tires. The sight of Fiat cars gracefully navigating the rooftop curves became a symbol of Lingotto's resurgence and commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive engineering. During this period, Lingotto not only resumed the production of civilian vehicles, but also sought to innovate and stay ahead of the curve. Fast forward to the swinging 60s, an era of cultural revolution, and Lingotto continued to evolve. The factory, once a symbol of resilience, now finds itself at the forefront of a dynamic and changing industry. The rooftop track, where speed and elegance once danced in harmony, now becomes a stage for a new kind of change style. In the midst of this cultural renaissance, Lingotto embraces innovation not only in manufacturing processes, but also in design aesthetics. The rooftop track, still a symbol of performance, now also echoes with the pulse of the times. Fiat vehicles become synonymous with chic and fashion, capturing the zeitgeist of the swinging 60s. As the 1970s unfold, Lingotto faces new challenges: economic downturns, fuel shortages, and changing consumer preferences. Yet, with adaptability as its guiding principle, Lingotto navigates these challenges with a focus on efficiency and sustainability. By the late 1970s, Lingotto finds itself at the crossroads of tradition and modernity. The factory has played a pivotal role in the automotive industry's journey, and the rooftop track, once a stage for high-speed test runs, now stands as a nostalgic reminder of a bygone era. In 1982, Lingotto produces its final Fiat, marking the end of an era in automotive production. But the story doesn't end here. It transforms. The iconic building undergoes a comprehensive redevelopment, becoming a versatile and vibrant complex that continues to contribute to the cultural and economic life of Turin. The rooftop test track, once alive with the sounds of roaring engines, is preserved as a historical landmark. It becomes a symbol of Lingotto's rich history, a tangible reminder of the factory's heyday when it played a pivotal role in the automotive world. The renovated Lingotto complex embraces a new identity, housing a convention center, a shopping mall, and even a hotel. Lingotto's reinvention mirrors the changing nature of the automotive industry. The sprawling factory that once housed assembly lines becomes a testament to the dynamic nature of progress. Lingotto, in its new form, stands as a symbol of resilience and adaptability, embodying the spirit of transformation that characterized the 20th and 21st centuries. Today, the Lingotto complex stands as a living museum, inviting visitors to explore the intersection of history, culture, and industry. It serves as a reminder that while the era of automotive production in this iconic factory may have come to an end, Lingotto's legacy lives on. The rooftop track, once a stage for high-speed performances, now echoes with the footsteps of those exploring a different kind of journey, a journey through time and innovation.